Tips for achieving healthy glow. I'm so excited to be here with you today to share some fantastic tips on achieving healthy, glowing skin. Whether you're aiming to enhance your natural radiance or simply want to keep your skin in tip-top shape, these tips are perfect for you. We all want that enviable glow, and today, I'm going to walk you through some simple yet effective ways to make your skin look its absolute best. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe a glass of water, because hydration is key, and let's dive into the ultimate guide to radiant, healthy skin. Ready to glow? Let's get started. Stay hydrated. First and foremost, let's talk about hydration. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and to flush out toxins. Remember, if you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Balanced diet. Next, a balanced diet is key. What we put into our bodies directly impact our skin. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Food rich in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, are particularly beneficial for your skin. Skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine can work wonders. Cleanse your face twice daily to remove dirt and oil buildup. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, and don't forget to exfoliate regularly to slough off dead skin cells. This helps reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. Moisturize. Moisturizing is a must, no matter your skin type. A good moisturizer helps to keep your skin hydrated and creates a protective barrier. Even if you have oily skin, don't skip this step, just choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula. Sun protection. One of the most important tips, always use sun protection. Apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even when it's cloudy. This protects your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Get enough sleep. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for 9 to 7 hours each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Sleep is truly when your body, including your skin, gets to heal. Manage stress. Managing stress is crucial for skin health. Engage in activities that reduce stress, like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercise. Stress can lead to breakouts and other skin issues, so take time to relax. Exercise regularly. Exercise not only keeps your body fit but also benefits your skin. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, helping to nourish skin cells and keep them healthy. Plus, it gives you that post-workout glow. Use gentle products. When it comes to skincare products, less is often more. Choose gentle products with natural ingredients to avoid irrigation. Harsh chemicals can strip your skin of its natural oil and cause long-term damage. Avoid touching your face. One simple but effective tip: avoid touching your face. Our hands carry dirt and bacteria, which can transfer to our skin and cause breakouts. Keep your hands off to keep your skin clear. Regularly checkups. Lastly, don't forget to visit a dermatologist regularly. They can provide personalized advice and help you address any skin concerns early on. Regular checkups are a great way to keep your skin health in check. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can achieve and maintain healthy, glowing skin. Here's to your radiant, beautiful skin. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep glowing. Thanks for watching, lovelies.